morning to all of you. My name is Anushka Yadav. Today I am going to explain the human eyes. The eyes is the most important sense organ, resemble a camera in many ways. The main part of eyes are described below. Cornea. It is the transparent spherical membrane in the front of eyes. Light enters the eyes through cornea. Iris. Iris is the dark in color muscular diaphragm which has a small central opening on its middle. The central circular of aperture in which the iris is called pupils. The pupils appear black, become no light reflected from it. They regulate the amount of light is the size of pupils. Eyes lens. The eyes lens is a convex lens made up of jelly-like material. The eyes lens is held in position by the ciliary muscle. Ciliary muscle help in changing the focal length of the eyes lens. Retina. Inside the surface of rear part of the eyes ball is called retina. The eyes lens is the focal on object on retina. Inside the surface of retina consists about 120 million of light selectively receptors. When the light focus on object on receptor to the brain through optic nerve. There are two kinds of light are selectively cell on the retina. Cone-shaped or rod-shaped. Cone-shaped. These cells are selectively colored dark or these cells are selectively colored. It is due to the cone shape that we are unable to differentiate between different color. Rod-shaped. These cells are selectively darkness or brightness in color. Ciliary muscles. The curvature and the hence of the focal length of the eyes lens. The curvature and the hence of the focal length altered by the ciliary muscles, which the ciliary muscle attract when the relaxed and lens that are the thin focal length decrease. Content the ciliary muscle thin decrease that curvature of the focal length so that the eyes lens is thin focal length increase. Aqueous humor. The space between cornea and lens is called anterior chamber. It is filled with watery liquid is called aqueous humor, bituminous humor. The space between eyes lens and focal length is called posterior chamber. It is filled with jelly-like material is called bituminous humor. Optic nerve. The retina is connected to the brain through optic nerve. The transmitted to the brain through optic nerve. Blind spot. At the junction of optic nerve and retina in the eyes lens, the sensation of light is no cone-shaped or rod-shaped cell. Thus, no vision at this spot. Yellow spot. A small saturated center of retina is very minutely to the light is called yellow spot. When the light is very sensitive an object is the very minutely is the object focal on yellow spot at the retina. Working of eyes. The light comes from off an object selectively. The front of eyes light enter the pupils through the eyes lens. The eyes lens is a convex lens. Convex lens is product of the eyes light ray in the produce real inverted image. Power of accommodation of eyes. The unique property of eyes has a unique property of eyes as forming sharp image is the eyes lens is the eyes lens. The ability of eyes lens is the focal of object is called power of accommodation of eyes. Advances the two eyes of the human being. Although we can see a single eyes, yet there are advantages of two eyes instead of one. The human is a horizontal field view 120 with one eyes. A human being horizontal field view is 180 with two eyes. Hyper myopia, curvature and the hypermyopia. A single person suffering myopia can see the distant object distinctly and near object see. Cause of myopia. The curvature and the eyes lens as a result of the focal length of the eyes lens is too short. Correction of myopia. The curvature of the different use can be the convex lens is suitable power. Mm, Hypermyopia is to certain distance. The upper a single person suffering my hypermyopia can see the distance object clearly and conformly, but it is unable to see the near object distinctly. Cause of hypermyopia: the curvature and the curvature as a the curvature and the curvature and the result of the focal length of the eye lens is too long. Cause correction of hypermyopia. The different of hypermyopia use can be the convex lens is the suitable power. Presbyopia. Presbyopia with aging person flexibility of the lens of his eyes are the ciliary muscles always weakened weakened as a result of the power of accommodation of eyes is decreased. Find the pupil is the scene, the near object is clearly and formed. This affected region is called presbyopia. Thank you.